Hi everyone, let's fix verifying problem with your email address in Steam. So if you are now on your email account and still not getting any verification code from Steam, so the first thing we need to do is to go on our spam because maybe we receive the verification from this folder or spam folder. However, if not, then you may go to Steam support and then try to find out why are we not getting that verification email message from Steam support. So you may just check in here. Probably you need to add or try adding this two links below: support steampower.com or no reply at steampower.com to your contacts or trusted sender list within your email client and attempt to verify your email address. Or you can just tap this link and going or heading to the help.steampower.com and try to tap that help I can't log in order for you to get the help that you need, and tap on I forgot my Steam account name and password. And once you enter your email address or phone number here, hopefully Steam support will be able to give you or to give or send again the verifying or verification code for you to continue using this app. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.